vlog number 11, I think it is, from Australia. We're on day 12 of not being at work. I'm just currently walking to Sophie's to pick her up because we're gonna go do some tennis. Are you ready, Sophie? How many days are we on?
11.
11.
Day 11.
Aye. We're doing some tennis, aren't we?
Yeah,
We've got to do some tennis.
Whoa!
We're going to have to buy some rackets and stuff because obviously we don't have any. There are tennis courts close by. Yeah, as you'll have seen yesterday, we went to the weir, just like the local chinchilla weir. Gorgeous sunset, just a nice chill day. But we still need to fill our time with something, so. Hola, Tristan.
Got a full belly, had me crumbed sausage, I'm ready to go.
Okay, just got in from going to tennis. We got some, well, we didn't get some bad news, but our friends got some bad news because of the flooding, and we're not needed in all weekend again now. It's Thursday now, tomorrow is a bank holiday again. Saturday they've decided they don't need us, Sunday we don't work, Monday they will decide again. However, there's been quite a few people in our group that have already got emails saying basically we don't need you due to the weather conditions. There's too many of us sat around, and they've been fired. Fortunately me and Sophie haven't, but alright, welcome back. First day back at the solar farm after over 2.5 weeks. It's very wet. It is very, very wet. I got the email saying I could work today. Sophie, however, didn't. So she's back at the camp. For some reason, over the last few days, after the first 5 people got sacked, they've gradually been like letting people back in. Just 5 at a time, it seems like. It was just my lucky day. So I think I'm doing panelling today, actually lifting the solar panels back on, but it's good to be back, even if it is very, very boggy. First day back after a long time. We need to earn some money. We need to get them 88 days in. So I myself don't actually have enough time to get the full 88 days in before we go to Bali now. So that sucks. But it is what it is. You can't bet on the weather. Just have to make as much money as we can. Tick off as many days as we can. Hopefully it won't rain anymore. And then we'll go from there. The ground is just clay. It's like clay, and it just holds the moisture, the water, and it's obviously on a floodplain. But like I say, the sun's out right now, but there's not much warmth behind it. But yeah, let's see how it goes. At least we're here, we're earning a bit more money. All right, let's crack on. Sophie at 6 a.m.
My gloves. My glasses. Axe.
We've managed to get all the way to Saturday without having a day off, so that's a big plus after the last 2 weeks. And I've managed to land myself a nice job actually here. So I never actually mentioned I was a mechanic to the people here, the management and stuff, because I just assumed they already had people in place. Anyway, I did mention it because I was just trying to find a way to get me here more often. And then it turns out they were quite desperate for a mechanic, so here I am, got a new job. I'm in the workshop now instead of in the field, which has turned out quite nicely actually. Just taking this buggy for a run. It's worked out all right. Thankfully, everybody's at work now. There's no rain on the forecast for the next 14 days, so perfect. Let's crack some weeks out. Let's get some money in and yeah, enjoy ourselves, I guess. Thought I'd just give you a bit of an update. So Sophie's been successfully avoiding the camera this week, so I'm going to go check up on her, try to get a few words out of her for the vlog. She's slowly creeping out of the vlog. She just gets more and more shy. Sophia, welcome to the vlog. You've been avoiding the vlogs lately, haven't you? Can you give us a quick 10-second roundup of how your week's been?
Back to work. Went out last night. Hungover.
Are you happy to be back to work?
No.
Yeah, you are. There you are, that's all I can get. It's Sunday, we managed to finish the week off well. Got a full Saturday in, so that's good for the money. Went out last night just for a few drinks. Sophie's got a bit of a sore head. I got up at 5 a.m. to watch the Champions League final. Unlucky about Liverpool, but went for a run, gym, and now chilling. Other than that, not much else to report. We're very, very happy we're back at work. Finally can earn some money again. It just takes the boredom away from being just here. And yeah, my new job role, which is, I think, going pretty well. I would have said we've got about 7 weeks left here, so let's hope the weather stays good and we can get some full weeks in. Thank you for watching.